Welcome, dear branch heads, to our agency mid-year branch heads assembly.
We are all in this together, di ba? We are all in 2023. Sabi nga nila, great things in business are never done by one person.
Our brand consideration score has been #1 for years. You know what that means? That means nakatatak na sa isip at sa puso ng tao, AXA is the one that I am most attracted.
Congratulations, AXA Agency, for a job well done on the first 6 months of 2023. I know that's why we are here. This is a pit stop for all of us because we said this is the time for us also to acknowledge what we have done very well on the first 6 months. All in, no zero hero. And the fact that we have been actively recruiting has made all of us here in agency to strive. And that's why consistency is important for all of us.
You are doing a very strong performance. If you compare with the budget, with the plan, if you compare with last year, it is excellent and is really pushing the profitability of the company. So I'm very, very happy that you are really leaders on this development of this line of products. So I count on you. Alam ko masipag kayong lahat. Matagumpay kayong lahat. Alam ko matalino kayong lahat. So kayang-kaya basta't sama-sama. Salamat po.
Welcome, and I hope you enjoy the next 2 days as we work very, very hard to give you something that is both insightful, may matutunan tayo, at dapat syempre masaya because ganyan ang Blue Jeans. Here in AXA, we do this together. Hindi lang to agency, hindi lang to bangka, hindi lang to GI, but here in AXA, we do it as a team and the entire Execom is here to help us and support us. You will hear from them in a bit.
We will continue to fix the issues, the major ones contributing to the incidents, one by one, in parallel doing this. You have my commitment that my team and the whole ExCom is behind you to make your selling much, much more important, much, much easier. 2024, I commit to you, we'll make that the same as 2022. We'll power better 2023, and 2024 is somewhere I can concentrate na sa pagbenta kasi yung system natin sa best sa Pinas. Hindi lang sa Pinas, o sa buong region. Maraming salamat.
I've shared a lot of claims numbers because the reason why we are in insurance is to exactly pay legitimate claims. These are the numbers that you can be proud of. Please be proud of the numbers that you've seen. Paying claims is the main reason we are in this business. Be proud of AXA, stay blue, always be blue. Thank you.
We have grown so much today. Again, because of all of you who has been here. Because we believe that here we have the best ever agency team. Thank you, everybody. To all the AXA agency leaders who are here today, welcome and congratulations. Let's strive and have a phenomenal year in 2023. Thank you.
Today it's an important day. I think it's going to be a good day to listen to to you and to share. I can tell you more about the company if you want to, and I want to hear from you how can we help. The implications for AXA on that growing plan is simple. For AXA Philippines, we need to be a leader in growth. I can tell you the AXA that I'm seeing today compared with the AXA that I saw in November is quite different. Thank you very much. I'll let's see you in the room so now, okay? Thank you.